Hello, Houston Solid Concrete. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas, and I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, HoustonSolidConcrete.com. Looks pretty good. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content, and what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages of your website, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Just looking at your website when put into this tool, you have about 10 keywords here. These are the keywords that are coming up on your screen. You have volume means how many is globally searched, how many times globally searched. Traffic means how many times somebody's coming into your website because of that keyword that was put into Google in their search bar. If we go to you have a competitor, Leveled Concrete, putting his information or her information into the tool, levelconcrete.com. They have 1.2K keywords in their website alone. Some of the stuff they have are covering all types of concrete work, as well as different variations of the same words. One more competitor that you have is going to be HoustonConcrete.com. They have less keywords than the Level Concrete, much less. More keywords than your website, 285. But sometimes keywords that are easier to rank higher on Google will get your website ranked higher on Google automatically. We're going to go back to original pages here. Good. Now let's take a look at another thing Google looks at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you can find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others directing traffic for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, or in our case, the winner with the most websites pointing at them wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back into your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have. Again, you can do this yourself if you want, but if you use me, who has an expertise in this area, it'll save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Looking at your backlinks here, we have 6, which is a great start. These different pages are pointing to your website, partly from Angie's List, HomeDecoID.com, so forth and so on. If you look at Level Concrete, they have 204 backlinks, which is amazing. Some things that they're tapping into. It could be, once again, like blogs and different websites. The better backlinks are going to be those that are more related to your industry, once again. So HoustonMethod.com, they do different services. Innovative building materials is going to be close to what concrete work would be looking like. Backlinks for HoustonConcrete.com, a little about the same as what the Level Concrete was doing, but much more than what you currently have. And they have, once again, people pointing to them from different areas. Best 30 concrete contractors in Texas. So this is a Yelp deal. And if you join on with me, you would see the different ways that we can add backlinks to your site. Cool. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. Going back to the original Google search that I did to find our businesses, when I do Concrete Contractors in Houston, you see this map pack here. There's a few businesses that are right by that map pack, and these businesses are the ones that are dotted, pinned on this map. They are doing something to optimize their Google My Business page, and then after you leave that map pack, you see other industries. HoustonConcrete.com is what we were talking about before. Different Angie's List things. abconcrete.com, concretehouston.org, so forth and so on. Going back to what a Google business profile is. This is a Google business profile. The more photos you have, the more information you have on here, the better it is. Citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. If I was to go in here and look up Concrete Contractor in Tomball or wherever, it gives me a bunch of different areas and a bunch of different people that can do that service for me. And once again, there's just another avenue for your business to be shown. Better Business Bureau, you can look up yourself as well. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. Traffic flow to your business, HoustonSolidConcrete.com. This is 22 people or 22 visits to your website per month, just from organic searches from the keywords that you have on your website. If we look at Level Concrete, they have 941 visits to their website every month on average. This is because of their keywords, this is because of their backlinks, this is because they're trusted by Google as well. If we go to our other competitor, HoustonConcrete.com, about the same backlinks as Leveled, about the same keywords as well, traffic is much higher. If these keywords have more authority or these backlinks have more authority, or meaning if they have more to do with your industry and they have more weight to them, you essentially are being held up higher on Google. Once again, HoustonConcrete.com, when searching for concrete contractors in Houston, is the #1 organically searched person because Google put them there. 1.7K of traffic is amazing. And Ahrefs is just a tool. Ahrefs is just a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Profile, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business, HoustonConcrete.com, was just 10%. 10% of 1,700 is 170. And if they close business deals at about 50% of those 170 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Bill Houston Concrete Construction, or HoustonConcrete.com, is probably closing somewhere around 75 to 85 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 75 to 85 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living. And I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265, and my email is ajms4uyou@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great day.